Yo, 84 Cuddy, man. We back with another one. Yeah. Hey, man, I can't be the swap man today, man. Man, these mosquitoes out here biting, boy. These jokers biting, boy. These jokers got your teeth. These jokers got the biggest teeth in the world, boy. These jokers biting, man. Yeah, man, but guess what, man? Today is transmission day. Man, we about to get rocking, dog. Straight up. As soon as this loud ass truck passed me by, like this right here. Alright. You know it's a Chevy, that bit loud too. Hey, but yeah, man. Hey, we about to get to it, man. It's time to go to work. Time to get back on this road. Shit, then 87 SS, boy, done been hitting that bit earlier too, boy. Hey, motivation. Hey, but guess what? I'm gonna hit y'all back. Matter of fact, nah. I'm gonna cut y'all back on right after this. Alright, y'all, we back. Got the transmission set up on the jack, man. About to see if we can put it back in. Excuse me, y'all, the bus passing by. Y'all know churn getting out of school this time of day. But yeah, go up on the jacks, huh? See what they doing. See what they looking like. I got no scrap on this motherfucker neither. Huh? Just like that, nice and slow. We about to get on this thing. Alright, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. Put y'all the time lapse. Let me make sure I got everything straight. Let's go.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
Back, dog. Hey, so we got the transmission up. I just gotta get it bolted in, man. I know I didn't do it right. You know what I mean? Well, I wouldn't say I didn't do it right, but I know I should have took the torque converter off. I couldn't get that joke off. So, man, it was too much mosquitoes out here fighting me. I'm trying to fight getting the torque converter off. So, you know what I mean? Like, instead of me scripting a bolt or something like that, hey, I'll try it this way. It worked before, so hopefully it'll work again. But if you can get the torque converter off, the flex plate, take it off. But hopefully this method right here will work for me again. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. But let's get back to work. Let's go. I need some light. Alright, y'all. Y'all see? Get close. Yeah. All we gotta do is put these bolts in them. Get them close. You know what I mean? Yeah. That we in there. We in there. Really in there. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. Alright, YouTube. Sure, I done got my bolts together. I done put a couple on in at the bottom already. But I turned y'all on, man. Y'all see what these motor mounts, man. Them slider motor mounts, y'all see all that space back there? Y'all can see the transmission bell housing. Y'all see all this space? I can get my hand back here. You know what I mean? See? I can put my hand back here. My hand on the transmission right now. That's why I tell y'all, man, them slider motor mounts will save your life. Especially you doing them LS swap. Yeah, let me finish getting these bolts in so I can get my 15mm and start tightening them down. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Got that tight. Now we about to put the cross member in. safety switch up. Whew. Shoot. Hooked everything else up, man. We should be good to go. Cut y'all back on, man. Alright. Hand tight.
Jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and